We're in the port of Larena here in Siquijor. We're watching yung docking ng light ferries. We're not sure kung ito yung sasakyan namin going to Plaridel in Misamis. So nakaparking kami dito. 2 private vehicles so far. Ito naman yung passenger terminal. This is the passenger terminal. Doon siguro kayo mag-board, no? So expected departure will be 2 AM. Time check ngayon is parang going midnight pa kami. I think doon kami sasakay, no? Iikot. Medyo malaki-laki yung port area ng Larena. I think this is the biggest wharf here in Siquijor. So today also ended our almost 3 days, no, of travel here in Siquijor. Again, this area is for passenger, no? Passenger area. Dito naman yung vehicle na side na area. So papasok kami dito, this side. We're just waiting for advice on boarding. I thought malaki. Now, but this ferry galing pa tong Cebu. Then baba dito sa Larena in Siquijor, then Misamis. Hindi namin alam yung rota na to, no? We thought na yung rota is babalik kaming Dumaguete, then back to the Dapitan. So we'll be taking 2 ferries. So by taking 1 ferry, at least nakatipid kami ng isang leg, no, ng biyahe. Okay, so medyo konti yung passengers, no? They'll be advising us on yung boarding in a while. Tingnan natin sa loob. This one is yung passenger terminal. Tingnan natin sa loob. Hindi pala makapasok. Ikot pa kami. There. Sa loob. Nandito sila yung passenger na side. Okay.